Alrighty, so today's September 18th, 2019, but I'm doing the recap for yesterday, which was the 17th and a Tuesday. I took one trade and it was a loser, a very, very small loser. So let's go over it. So the trade was on GWL. We didn't have much on the watch list, but as you can see here, this is something that's somewhat good. Decent pre-market action coming lower, but we have this action coming back up, so the trend's kind of going higher now. Going into the open, it closes above VWAP and on the moving averages, kind of indicating some sort of strength. So, I mean, you need to watch out where the stock actually opens in correlation to VWAP. Usually, when the stock's gapping down, you want VWAP and on the moving averages to be above head, so the stocks will be trading somewhere here. This is kind of indicating that it's going to be somewhat of a long or some sort of a some kind of strength. There'll be some kind of strength to the stock. So let's go over the trade. As you can see, the stock did absolutely nothing the whole entire day, which is why I got chopped out. But we'll go over really, really quickly. So as you can see, the stock was gapping down, and since it was bought up above VWAP, I was kind of just hesitant. But since the stock started, I guess trending sideways, and it had this move where it was making lower lows and lower highs, I figured it was going to break all the support and then sell off at least to this pivot level here and possibly to this next one. So my entry was at 27.55, and it was in somewhere, I think it was this candle right here. So as you can see, we have this chop action going on right here and just not doing anything. You can see, and then it starts going lower highs. I'm like, okay, well, you know what? It's getting interesting on the 5-minute. This is what the 5-minute looked like. So we had one hammer, another hammer candle over here. Then we had a sell-off, another sell-off. We're going into these moving averages here. So I got short as this candle broke the low and looked like it was going to break past the 20. It kind of just sell off, and then it got bought back up. Let me see real quick. So I was in short right here, and then once it got bought back up, I just stopped out at, I think it was like 60, 64. So as this candle, you see I had like 2-3 cents profit, and I'm expecting the volume to come in. No volume came in. I'm expecting the move to be, pretty ferocious in the fact that it should go right now. And then it got bought back up, and I just wasn't interested. Sold off a little bit here, then it got bought back up, and just was choppy the rest of the day. So I think the problem I'm having right now is that the first 2 days of me trading live, the first 2 days I was kind of skittish and scared of just doing the right stuff. Now I guess the problem is just finding stocks that are going to actually move. So we'll see. Today is going to be Wednesday, the 18th. Let's see what stocks we can find and what setups we can trade. Hopefully we can make a nice little buck here.